Okay, that's with the hand grinder. Okay, come with the sander. Come with the sander.
Oh!
There with the sandpaper. That is not working. I don't know.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Elevador da estação do Campo da Pólvora.
Veja só, televisão de pobre, como é que é. Só vai na base da pancada. Viu aí? É assim! De novo, não acredito! Yeah! Iron Man! De novo!
Oh God, whose fingers that's? Oh no! What is that, David helping him? Yeah, look, that's his ring. Wait, on what's? Ah! Mum, don't. Wait, where's David? This side, yeah, ring, this side. Oh no, look, it's gonna go, Mum. It's gonna go.
Good thing they finally got a functioning toilet hooked up in here. We got a problem here. Is the plumber still here? Guy.
We have like all these wasps keep coming out, and
we're in the country.
C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country.
All right.
S-T-U-P-I-D. We're dumb.
Stupid.
O-M-G.
All right, guys.
Okay, I'm so allergic. So if we end up at the hospital, then y'all just need to know where to come get us.
Look at the flank. It's up there. We're about to knock it down.
And we are, y'all know where we live. If anybody, y'all know where we live.
So here we go. She's gonna show you. Show the nest.
There
you see it?
Look, y'all, this thing is massive.
3.
We are so dumb. We've been drinking.
2.
Maybe yes.
You ready?
Yes.
Oh, shit, let's go! Wow! Oh, shit,
You ready?
Yeah, Zach, turn the water on. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, Jeff, there's water all over here. I don't know where we sprung a leak at. Oh man.
Turn it on. Oh my gosh. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Turn it off. Turn it off.
Any surface should work. Grab your drill. It works. You want to make sure this is fully charged, because sometimes if it's not fully charged, it doesn't get very powerful, and so it doesn't get all the way in. Did it go through? Oh crap! I think I went too far. I didn't think it went through, and then it went too far. Crap. Yeah. This book. Crap. This is my chemistry book. This is from the library. This book is like $200.
All the cold air into the duct, and you just slide the beer in like that.
All right, now drag.
Have you fixed it yet?
No, I'm just trying to make a hole in here. Maybe there's something with the cable. It just oh, you're filming, but it doesn't work. I don't know. Like maybe there's something. Maybe it's just old. I don't know.
Did you push the button?
I did. I am. Do you think I'm stupid? Maybe can you fix it?
Did you check the plug?
Oh, okay. That's the problem. No, it's not going in there.
Try it now.
Here we go.
Don't hurt yourself. Just. That's good.
You're on.
I'm on.
We take our drill and we pilot. Oh, crumb. Okay, so this is not how we...
Hard hat. Check this out. Oh, it's pretty easy, this chef stuff. Gordon Ramsay's got nothing on me. I think I've mastered it. Anyway.
Alright, we just drill all the way through and pull back. What is that? Uh-oh. Shoot, what is that? Oh. I see, okay. It appears as if I drilled into the mustard.
I just should have brought my drill up here. I didn't.
So I probably turned this into what not to do.